Hydrocarbons are a group of chemicals that are present in different areas of nature. They make up the so-called fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, which are major sources of energy. They also make up candle wax, plastic, lubricating agents, artificial rubber, some medicines, and much more. However, they can also have dangerous side effects, not just in their products, but also by themselves, especially when they are burned. More on that later. To understand this, let's know what hydrocarbons really are. They are organic compounds that are made of only carbon and hydrogen. There are many different types of hydrocarbons: alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alicyclic hydrocarbons, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Alkanes are open-chain hydrocarbons with only single bonds. They are quite unreactive compared to their unsaturated cousins. Examples of alkanes include methane, used in gas appliances and fuel, ethane, used to make ethene, propane, used in portable stoves, and butane, used in lighters. Alkenes are like alkanes, but they have double bonds. Examples of alkenes include ethene and propene, which are both used in plastics. Alkynes are like the previous two types, but they have triple bonds. Examples of alkynes include ethyne, which is used in ripening and welding, and propyne, which is used in welding. Alicyclic hydrocarbons are shaped like rings. Examples include cyclopropane, used as anesthetic, and cyclohexane, which is used as solvent. Finally, aromatic hydrocarbons are also shaped like rings, but electrons are shared not just between two carbon atoms, but also across the entire ring, making them very stable. Examples include benzene, which is a major part of gasoline, toluene, used in making paints, and naphthalene, which is used in mothballs. As I had stated earlier, hydrocarbons make up major sources of energy, but something has to be done in order to get that energy. The most common ways to get that energy is through burning and combustion. In hydrocarbon combustion, usually through fossil fuels like coal or oil, chemical energy is transformed into heat energy. That heat energy moves turbines, whose kinetic energy is converted by a motor into electrical energy, which is distributed for everyday use. This is how most people, like me, get electricity. However, there are side effects to hydrocarbon combustion. When things go well, the hydrocarbon reacts with oxygen to create carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and if there is too much, it can contribute to the issue of global warming. But that's when things go well. Sometimes there's not enough oxygen to completely combust the hydrocarbon. In that case, it can produce residual hydrocarbons, which can possibly be pollutants or greenhouse gases, soot, and carbon monoxide, a toxic gas. This is why fossil fuels, which are high in hydrocarbons, get a bad rep. Hydrocarbons are both beneficial and harmful. On one hand, modern life is practically built on top of hydrocarbons, mostly due to our dependence on electricity and motor vehicles. On the other hand, there are some side effects to hydrocarbon combustion, like pollution and global warming. The side effects of hydrocarbon combustion can be avoided if we don't rely on them too much. This can be done by converting to renewable, environment-friendly energy sources and by doing each of our own parts as stewards of the environment.